Hey guys, a quick introduction to the next 3 videos that are coming up. It will be my trip with my friends in the interior of BC. We started off down in Lillooet, next to Salmon Arm, and then into Osoyoos, and then back home. The first video is going to be part 1, which is our trip down to Lillooet and finding our first spot for campsite. Anyways guys, enjoy the video. All right, we're all here. There's Mike's, Chris, Jack's Ford, my Ford, and D's 4Runner.
We'll do a Casino Migo much later that day.
There you go. I'm gonna use that. Hi Emma. Connor's here. It's a big group that we're going with. We're gonna be going for about a week. About a week ago. Yeah. All right, everybody's just getting their stuff ready, gassed up, ready to go. First destination is gonna be Lillooet to quit.
Yeah. But we have Timmy Hove, little foot and Hove low.
Hey Emma, make sure he takes the shot, okay?
Yeah, don't say anything.
Hi Sam. Oh, she's camera shy.
Eventually.
All right guys, we're on our way to Lillooet right now. See you guys on the road. Somewhere out of nowhere.
A few inches later.
All right guys, just a quick blah. All right guys, just a quick blah.
Today, Junior!
God damn it! Just a quick pit stop over at the gas station. We just went to use the washroom quickly. So we're back on the road, heading up to Lillooet again. See you guys in a bit. Just taking a quick break, just going like this. Look at this view. We're just in this public property, hopefully it is. Just checking it out. Hey guys, we're back on the road again. Just took a quick lunch break over at the city of Lillooet, and then now we're back on the road. back on Highway 99 going towards the campsite. It's just further down the road, and then I think there's a turn to get into the FSR to get to that location that we're thinking of going to. Hopefully we can camp there and it's crown land, and we can be there for a couple of days. If not, then we'll find another spot. Anyways guys, back on the road we go. See you guys in a bit.
15 minutes later.
All right guys, took a long while, but I think we found our spot for today. It's kind of getting late, so we'll see if this is it. Kind of getting tired. We've been driving since about 10 o'clock. We left Langley at around like 8:30. We've never been to this place, so we're seeing if we're gonna be camping here. It's we're almost 5:30. Yeah, like I said, we've been driving for a while. Hopefully this is where we're gonna be camping. Very tired. All right guys, I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right guys, so didn't actually show it installing. I didn't show installing it, but here is my RTT. It's all set up. It's not bad. We found a decent spot over here, and I believe this lake is called Alice Lake. Over here in Alice Lake, it's not bad. Everybody's all settled already. People cooking. Go visit everybody's tent. Got Dee's tent. There's Mike's tent and his setup. Hey guys! There's Mike's. Jack's setup. And of course, Chris's setup. It's already cooking. All right, what are we cooking today? Woo! It smells like Nando's, yo.
It is Nando's.
Nice. Damn, what is this? Carinderia? All right, guys.
Good thing I only have to cook tonight. Right? Oh, and then tomorrow I get to relax. Oh, wow.
All right. Everybody's just cooking. We're just gonna be chilling, and yeah, I'll be it for right now. See you guys in a bit.
Later. The next day.
Hey guys, day 2 of our trip. Fortunately, didn't end up filming anything earlier. Kind of just chilled with my friends and stuff like that. We're actually cooking dinner right now. It's been a good trip right now. Just chilling on this spot that we found over at Lillooet. So yeah, gonna figure out what else we're gonna be doing tonight. If it's chilled, I'm gonna see what I'm gonna be filming. So far, it's like I said, it's been a really good trip. That will do it for the first video, guys. If you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. Also, hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss any future videos, especially part 2 and part 3. Until next time, guys, like always, stay awesome.